In this video, I will tell you how to hide COD based on product. So as you can check, I have already applied this rule. So for this particular product, COD is not available. Only prepaid options are available. Now I will select any other product and I will show you for another product COD will be available. So here you can see cash on delivery is available for any other product. So in this video, I will tell you how to set this up. So for this, I have used advanced cash on delivery app. You can also install the same app from Shopify app store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then click on advanced cash on delivery app. Then limit COD based on product configure button. Then you need to select your payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you have already added fee for cash on delivery in your Shopify settings, then you need to toggle on this button and add your delivery method here. We don't have any fee for cash on delivery, so I'm toggling off this button. Then you need to change the status to enabled. And from match type drop down, you need to select how to hide COD for this products and select any product. Then click on add and save your changes. Now we will test this on our online store. Add this product to your cart and proceed to checkout. So here you can see only prepaid options are available, cash on delivery is not available. So now we will test for any another product. So here you can see cash on delivery is available for any another product. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to hide COD based on product. If you like this video, then like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.